Nothing has done more to unite the people of the world than this daring venture into the unknown. His decision was to make the journey, and the world watched and listened. Listen.
Yo, I'm flowing out to blow the microphone out. I spit the flows out, Mr. Skull Mouth, no doubt. Tickets sold out, black and white kids, different strokes house. Transform you pessimist to optimist and roll out. Decepticon style, make it try and plow. Check the bomb files, 007 stretch beyond bounds of the earth, moon, universe, soon to burst through. 365 compare live, you April 1st, boo. These wannabe best rappers holding wet bladders, need a step ladder, still couldn't reach my best status. Inspector got it, extra baggage, I was blessed to have it. You must be still guessing at it, still testing average. I'm never slipping, even if you peel the fresh banana. The moves I'm making checks and balance like a chess fanatic. You less advantage, manic, depressing, impressed and panic. Lyrics hot enough to melt your plastic, grind your flesh to ashes. That's what you earn when you're not well rehearsed. Somebody gotta help preserve this art form. Myself preferred, check the verse. It's like a magic spell with words. These whack MCs probably felt it worse than the Celtic words. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam was hot, planet rock, Jordan was the man to stop. Knowledge every chance I got, keys to the master lock. Deals not real, unless it's God's will. Got NASA job skills, call me astronaut Neil. I reach for the top and be the first to leave orbit. Report it, friction decompose, reinforce it. I'm here to paint a portrait untainted by the corporate. Defy forces of your gravity with fly orders. These accomplishments, be a rocket ship, compliment my confidence. I be among stars without your documents. Big budget marketing, demographic targeting. All I need is beats and rhymes. So go and spark it then. Every mic I can.
Vi skal nordover igjen. Hurtigruten, fly, tog, bil, hva man ønsker seg. Nord-Norge, de har advart deg.
Hele jævla industrien er full av banditter, termitter og fitter. Jeg er dynamitten som spreng hele sulamitten i biter. Når jeg rocker biten, hører jeg hjemme i eliten. Stødig som monolitten med en urokkelig liten man. Folk er bedriten og verden er alt for liten. Så kalt er venner, SQS-spillere som av Michael Keaton. Jeg ser igjennom dem som transparenter. Slanger vi stanger og faner så de ikke kan prøve seg flere ganger. Jeg er ikke dum, jeg lukter lunta som en snuthund. Gidder ikke stå her og hør deg trø vatten på djupbunn. Jeg får deg til å trygge om ei våpenhvile for å battle deg for meg. Vi som å slippe bomba på sivile. Lat oss som du er down og er det kun på overflata. Kaller deg kamerat med bak ryggen du prater. Du blir smadra og knatra. Jeg lager kratra som granater. Så tester her og få nabograva til Frank Sinatra. Kritikere vil prate drit. Jeg gir meg en par. Spillere prøver å ta meg. Jeg gir meg en par. Det er en ting som du skal vite. Jeg gir meg en par. Jeg gir meg en par. Jeg gir meg en par. De tror at vi ikke har slitt. Jeg gir meg en par. Og oppfør seg som de vil ha litt. Jeg gir meg en par. Det er en ting som du skal vite. Jeg gir meg en par. Jeg gir meg en par. Jeg gir meg en par. Illuminert som en supernova, holder jeg lova. Men som det lepsa i sove-alkova, så tar jeg over. Drepp gynekologen som får alle dokka åpen. Og sjokka alle dokker når jeg rocker kåken. Du må være åpen hvis du tror at du kan kødde med det her. Kall meg en enmannsær. Enhver situasjon blir prekær, så ikke kom her. Opplegget ditt stikker som ekskrementer. Du diskuterer, men bruker andre sine argumenter. Naiv som fjortisjenta, du blir fort innhentet. Alle vet jo at du aldri har vært den som representer. Du tråkker i salater. Og er det noe jeg hater, er det når rekrutter tror de er elitesoldater. Jeg har konkret kvalitet som er så fet at de som trodde de kunne test, får dårlig samvittighet for en gang å ha tenkt tanken. Du tenkte i tanken, men vær så du i skuffa må du lære å leve med stanken.
Jo, det kommer dritt flytende.
Kritikere vil prate drit.
Jeg gir meg en par.
Spillere prøver å ta meg.
Jeg gir meg en par.
Det er en ting som du skal vite.
Jeg gir meg en par.
Jag har rimont som får det till och tips som eskalin. Men som det rappare är feminin som han Espen. Inga sataniske pakta för kontrakta är betrata mens du suger kuk på de som har kontakt med makta. Jag slaktar det pake och pakar dem i söppelschakta. Snakka fakta om det är för att åderslag i takta. Vad är det med det du kan kläda och icke teda? Respektera? Här har 3 ögon som ser det. Du borde fokusera på dina egna ambitioner. Du är tombola men alltså som du har masse kronor. Här fjärnar fördomar, några flommar som glömmar. Några kommer smälta du som snöfådar när det är sommar. Arrogant nordnorsk fyllepån som lagar tanta. Har vigorante dilettanter i hiphop-gevalta. Här får han med på knä som konfirmanta. Kommer från alla kanter och trampar han med som elefanter. Kritiker av ditt pratrik.
Här ger man ett bar.
Svinner av pröva och ta mig.
Här ger man ett bar.
Men det är allting som du ska vid.
Här ger man ett bar. Här ger man ett bar. Här ger man ett bar.
Dit vill att vi icke har slitt.
Här ger man ett bar.
Ord för chans som vi vill ha det.
Här ger man ett bar.
Men det är allting som vi ska vid.
Här ger man ett bar. Här ger man ett bar. Här ger man ett bar.
To go back in the past just once. You might remember this better than I do.
The Dark Apprentice is here. You will soon disappear. The Dark Apprentice is back like a dentist. I smash your guest list. Never forget this. If I lose a limb in battle, robotic artificial appendages, sacrificial rituals exist within the heart's minerals. This clinic is lyrical. I attack the pitiful without thinking. Apocalypse, late night drinking. I'm the designated rapper. When you make whack-ass beats and get paid, that's why we look forward towards the end of days. Until then, inject blood in all of my pens. Sick shit, I do not pretend. You can't comprehend, my knowledge extends. Astral communication, I do this for my salvation. I believe in one nation, escape the devastation. You repent in front of Satan and Ronald Reagan. I throw bombs like Troy Aikman. Your laws are forsaken. Beat to a pulp and shaken. Lord Gamma execute the skills like stealth ninjas. Put them in the Iron Maiden. Keep hating, cause in the end you fade away like enemies in Shinobi and Ninja Gaiden. I rap for the righteous, Optimus Prime and Leonidas. I attack off the wall like Strider. Infiltrate with swords and hand gliders. The deadly outsider, I destroy from within. The inner side, slide away from detection. Surveillance is necessary, determined to expose the enemy. Deadly commodities, evil honesty. Thoughts of a hostile takeover. Blood spills over the shoulder. The gun is placed back in the holster. Handle your fucking business like a live soldier. The axe murderer, using every part of my body as a lethal weapon. You're not ready to join the rebellion. Keep stepping in the same directions. Infamous, you can keep that title. This is a new extracted venom that will paralyze you. Exhibits of deadly syndicates. The blood patterns are intricate. We travel infinite. Deliver the truth. Like heads cut at dawn. Fucked up like the water we drink. Therefore I think, when will we become extinct? Traced like a murder through internet links. I break the mic and put it back together again. New and improved. Don't move, put a cramp in your style. Terrorsaur knocks at the door, asking where is Optimus? What are you on, angel dust? You needle injecting junkie. I will use Jack Daniels in your surgery. I am no longer worried. I spit fury. The eyes were blurry. Crystal clear attacks, clear as day. This is a death cinema. I am the enigma. Barbaric writings on the wall tell stories of how the stars fall and how they travel off this planet. The pure thought, who is really primitive? Just cause you got money, don't make things right. I will die to become immortal. Flat scan the patients with proper documentation. The sun rises, which energizes my cerebral process. Messages sent, leave a dent. When I invent, you can't prevent. I testify with true facts. Splitting backs with an ancient axe. This is a sacrifice. You rhyme so nice, you get sliced. I'm like a fallen spike of pure ice. Cold air fills my lungs. Filter out the negative, using drugs as a sedative. How else can we live? Survive to struggle. We strive to die. Some live to lie. I'm here to live my life. Take my advice. Open up your eyes. Where is this so-called paradise? We hunt men like mice. We are required to aim precise. The time of darkness. Watch me set up a new reign of pain. Without calling out names, I explain all theories broken down clearly. I hope you motherfuckers hear me. Ancient writings take off like astral sightings. Egyptian bloodlines flow through my Ethiopian veins. Y'all niggas is slaves, living in caves, waiting for the end of days. I will create a new shade like the grays. You get carried away. Telepathy leaves you with nothing to say. You stray away, not knowing what hit you. The snake bit you, I shit you not. Run your shit, we're taking what you got. This is hip hop, I give it all I got. We retaliate right on the spot. We don't need the aggravation. Teleportation to Stargate stations. Alien unification, the Illuminati and the Masons. Constant recreations, the fall of the great, the rise of a new future. Where we all cast out Lucifer, look into the light of God. Don't be afraid, I trade thoughts with militant smarts.
And in the blink of an eye, creation comes forth out of the infinite void. Occupy the mind, bless the soul, gain control, never give up. If you love something, hold on to it for eternity, never let go. Certainty is not guaranteed in the world of the living, unforgiven. Many beg to be forgiven, God-given rights to exist don't exist in this Kali Yuga. Certainly I bow down before Lord Apoc Sire. Eternal soul fire, mind blink, don't waste ink. I think time is timeless, priceless. There is no moral value, oracle medium, voices sound like they inhaled helium. Bugged out, requiem for a dream, to when it's so bad you fiend. So many issues one can face on a daily basis, they scream their little souls out, back to basics on the rat race route. So many shout out loud, not to be proud, only seeking attention from the wrong places. Blank faces, banknotes have been the cause to so many homicide cases. Pointless and shameless, murder was the case. You so-called gangsters need to practice your aiming. Cops killing niggas in the streets like a fly swatter kills flies. Editor's note, only for the author's eyes. Grimy thug, trapped in the 90s. Better get over that shit, keep it real and evolve with the times. Deep as fuck, but shallow as hell. Wishing on a star, hoping not to burn in hell. Throwing a coin in a wishing well. I follow no one, it's all good, everything is swell. For Dolo, solo, I murk your whole squad. Apoc is the alpha god. Drop kick, uppercut, a hipster cunt. Yelling YOLO for show, I'm just saying though. Know what I'm saying? Sup with all these lesbos, homos out the closet. Better be happy, you're on the side of the free world. Get your pussy pearl clip. Extremists beheaded, you nasty queers. 1,000-year-old traditions I don't fancy. I do not support your faggotry, filthy upside down, backwards way of living. What the fuck is wrong with your mind? What the fuck are you Bati boys thinking? I don't fucking get it. I don't fucking get it, yo. In all honesty, I support my movement, ESF, Master Builders. For they will strike swift as a divine wind. You all will suffer for your own actions. Opposites attract, and the law of attraction and the will of karma burns. Nothing goes on unnoticed. Apocalypse, ESL. Rapid eye